In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check server status of Fortnite. Let's get started. The fastest way to know is to check the official Epic Games server status page. Launch your preferred browser, type in status.epicgames.com. Now click on this plus icon for the Fortnite. If it is marked as operational, there is no issues. But if you see the option of operational or degraded or maintenance, that means there is some issues with the Fortnite. You can also check the Fortnite status account on X for real-time updates since they post instantly when servers go down or come back up. Another useful option is Down Detector, which shows reports from other players if there is a widespread issue. If many players are reporting problems, it's likely a server outage, but if everything shows normal, the issue may be on your device or internet connection instead. And that's it. This way you can easily check the server status of Fortnite. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.